In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix SIM card not working on your Redmi phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I want to highlight that there could be a variety of reasons on why your SIM card is not working on a Redmi device. The first one that I want to get out of the way first is physical problems within your SIM tray. If the connectors on your SIM card or the actual SIM tray were damaged, the SIM card could not be being detected properly. I cannot show you this process because of the way that I'm recording this video, but what I would recommend for you to try first is to power off your device, get the SIM tray out, and make sure that the SIM card is properly seated within the SIM tray. If it doesn't have a good connection with the pins on the SIM tray and the actual SIM card, it isn't going to be detected. So by making sure that they are properly cleaned up and the connection is established and it is physically seated well, it is going to be detected by your phone the next time you turn it on. Turn on your device and first access the settings. Inside of the settings, go over to SIM cards and mobile networks and check to see if the SIM card appears here. If it does, tap on the SIM card and make sure that the preferred network type is set up to the maximum possible. So for me, it is going to be prefer LTE. The next thing to check is the mobile networks. Make sure they are properly set up through this window. Now go back and enable mobile data if you wish to use it. This needs to be enabled for your network from your SIM card to work properly. With this enabled, you can go over to advanced settings and configure other stuff about data roaming, but for the most part, this process is done and this is all you can do inside of the settings. What I would recommend here is to go over to connection and sharing, and here you can find the option to reset Wi-Fi and mobile networks and Bluetooth. If you select this, you can reset mobile data to ensure that your SIM card is working properly. After you do all of this, turn your device off and on again and check to see if it has been properly detected and set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix SIM card not working on Redmi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.